animators are no longer needed, game dev is super easy, and the devil has returned in the form of AI, are a few things that some crazy people on the internet might say. But today I'm going to show you a really cool tool that uses AI that might just help your game development journey progress a little faster. Let's take a look. So I was contacted by a company called Anything World, and they said to me, hey, we love your channel. We think we have a tool that your audience might really enjoy. So I thought, well, I've heard that pitch quite a few times, to be fair. So let's have a look. And to be honest, it's actually quite interesting. And yes, it does use AI, but I think, as they said, it could be super useful as a game developer. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works today. Rather than explain it, I'm just going to walk you through it and show you what it is. So here is the website. And as you can see, it says 3D animations for all, powered by AI. And it is exactly what it says. They will take any 3D image that you have, any object, and use AI to fully animate that object. I was quite skeptical at first, but let's check out and see if we can do it live right now in front of you. You know how useless I am. I can't animate anything. I can't draw anything. I can't program anything. Nothing. If I can get this to work, then you're going to have no problems at all. So let's go through and take a look. So what we're going to start with is, so here is the website. Like I said, super detailed. There's loads of information, really nicely done. And we're going to go to, first of all, let's start out with the important bit, the pricing. So let's go to the pricing here. Now, as you can see, if you just want to test it out and see how it works, they have a free individual plan. So you don't have to sign up for anything and cancel it in before the end of the month, any of that nonsense. And then, of course, up the tiers go up, as you can probably imagine, to suit whatever you need. Now, first of all, this is not a sponsored video. Nothing to do. I'm nothing to do with Anything World. They just sent me a message and said, hey, we think you might like this. Check it out. And that is it. They have no idea I'm even doing this video. But like I said, there is a free package. That is what I've signed up for. I'm just on the free one. I don't know what one seat means. I don't know what 500 free API calls are. 3D animated models library and 3 user models animated for free. That's it. So you're up to speed of where I am. So let's see if we can get one to work and just show you how this goes. So what we need to do, it says animate anything, but we are going to need a 3D object to animate. Okay, so I've just typed in royalty-free 3D object. Now I've clicked on a few of these, and the easiest one to sort of browse really is the one called Sketchfab, which is this one. So let's start there and find ourselves a 3D model to use. Now, I know I said I think it has to be in T pose, but I'm sure I also read that A pose is okay as well. So let's just see what we can find. So we've got the download free 3D models is on the blue one here. So let's click that, and we want categories. We want people, and let's find ourselves a people. Let's do a bit of Counter-Strike. We got a counter-terrorist. Is that a counter-terrorist? Yeah. We'll do a game themed one, shall we? Should we do the yeah, it's a bit of Counter-Strike. Here we go. There's our model. Very shiny, very nice. So let's download one of the files. Now, we download 3D model. So we've got several options here of file formats. Now, again, I don't know what any of these mean. Oh, GLTF is there. Sorry. Go mad. GLTF. Let's download that one. Converted format. No idea what that is. And I'll get the converted format. Is that just a file, the converted one? Yeah. Let's do that one. Let's do that GLB one, because that is one of the formats. There we go. Let's do browse files. Let's do counter-terrorist. Yes. I will allow. And let's get started. Continue. Model name. Smooth sausage, and he is a man. Model type there, so it's verified, identified as a man. That's good. So let's continue. Main category biped. Yep, definitely biped. Human and humanoid. Okay, so we've got some other options here. If you've got water creature, that'd be interesting to try, wouldn't it? And vehicle, again, very interesting to try. But we'll stick with a human. Let's keep it simple to start with. Continue. Your model, rotation reference. Again, I don't really know what I should be clicking here. Symmetrical. Or asymmetrical? Don't know. It's a human, symmetrical. Let's just go continue. Your model is getting rigged. Woo. Okay, this can take a brief 5 minutes or less. So I might just pause it here for you so you can just see the end result. So I'll come back to you. Okay, so the next stage is tweak your rig. Okay, so I've generated a skeleton. You can move the joints if you wish. If you know what you're doing, okay, well, we don't know what we're doing, so we won't be touching any of these rigging points. So let's leave that exactly as it is. I'm not going to even touch it in case I mess something up. So let's click on the next bit, view animations. Okay, this can take 8 minutes. Okay, well, we'll just wait and see. Again, I'll come back to you when it's done. And we're done. We're back. Okay, so it actually took like 2 minutes to do that, not 8. And here is our model. Again, there's no textures or shading on it yet, but it's the animations we're looking at. And is it perfect? I don't think so. We've got all these animations here. We've got idle, jump, end. Okay. Run. What does a run animation look like? There you go. So natural. So natural. Jump start. Okay. Run. Walk. And then you can just download each animation for each one. So it's not perfect. So is your job on the line? Is it going to solve all your problems? No, it's not. But I think this is going to be very useful if you need a placeholder or you just want to see how the character would look in your game as a running animation before you get it all fully done. Then I think this would be a great place to start to save you spending loads of money on having it animated. This is still, we'll say this is still early access software, so there's loads of little bugs to work out, there's loads of features to add, so it's not final, but I think it's a good clue as to sort of show what they might be able to do in the future. And I think it's really important to remember that AI is going to be a really useful tool. Now you can argue the morals of it all. You can say, I don't want to be a person who uses AI. I want to use human beings. Fair play to you, no problems at all. But AI is here, and it can make things a little bit easier. It can save you some time. And I think if you learn to use AI in a way to help your workflow and to help other people, animators can use this to sort of get an idea. I don't know. But I think if you use it as a tool that is here to stay, then I think it could be a really useful thing to have. Now, like I said, this is app.anything.world. I will leave a link below for you. And I hope that's given you like an idea of some of the cool things. I do think it's a really cool idea. For someone like me who can't animate or program or anything, then this is a really cool feature to have. Again, thank you to Anything World for sending me a message. Again, not sponsored. I just thought it might be a video you might be interested in. So if you enjoyed it, click like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.